We've looked at the community features. We're now going to look at Creator and Analytics in Scholar. Look at the stuff specifically that's going to be helpful to you as you get started in the course. So let's sign in. And these are, of course, early days. The first thing you see is your personal profile. Even though you do see things from the community in your activity stream, you actually want to go to your community. That's where everything related to the course is happening. We're now going to focus on this top bar, and you can see I actually have a notification. So when you click on notifications, you'll see these are sort of important events. And so here you see a peer request has been accepted. So Maria Isabel Navarro has accepted my request to peer, which is basically like friending someone in Facebook. You will see there are many different kinds of notifications here. Now let me try to zoom in. Um, and you will get to know these notifications, which ones are relevant to you as you work through the course. You typically want to keep most recent as the order here. So do look when you see a little number in your notifications. That means you have new ones. As soon as you click on notifications, that little number goes away. So you want to keep in mind you in some cases you're going to need to go back to notifications, even though there's no little number showing. Same with the messages. So the messages interface. Here I have one message which I sent to the course team yesterday, and so here you have some options. You can view unread messages. You can also archive the ones you've already dealt with, and you can also write a new message. So you can use this to communicate with your peers in the course or with the course team. So if I wanted to send a message to myself, let me do this, and there you go. Hello, whoops, hello self. All right, and send that.